Now we're going to make stuffed mushrooms, and I'm starting with baby portobellos. They're a good size. They're not too big, not too small. And what we're doing is we're going to remove the stem, and it's very easy to do that. Just snap it out. And we're saving the stem for the filling into that. It's going to go back into the mushroom, and it's going to be mixed with parsley, salt, garlic, Parmesan cheese, some lemon zest, and a little sprinkle of lemon juice. So now we're going to chop the stems. And they don't have to be chopped very fine, but you don't want very big pieces either. We're almost done with chopping. As you can see, I chop them fine. Sometimes it's hard to stop, and they really do get chopped very finely, but that's okay, because you'll see when we put it in the mushroom that works too. Okay, so now we're putting the stems into a plate, and we're going to then dress it with garlic and parsley and salt and Parmesan and all those wonderful things that I mentioned before. Now we have all of our ingredients assembled. I have the mushroom stems, parsley, garlic, lemon, Reggio Parmigiana, breadcrumbs, olive oil, and of course the mushrooms. I'm starting with the parsley, and as you can see, I use only the leaves. I just like it better. The stems are can be kind of tough. Okay, we're going to chop the parsley. I like to take the leaves and bunch them up. Makes it easier to chop them. Just giving it a little more of a chop so you don't get big pieces of leaves in your mouth. Okay, so now we're ready for the garlic, and what I'm going to do is come down hard, maybe another time, and that allows us to remove the skin very easily, as you can see. And we're going to take off, there's a little bruise here, so we're going to take that off, and we're going to chop up garlic. Okay, now we're going to zest some of the lemon, which will give it a nice bright flavor. The mushrooms will taste really good with the... Right now we are zesting the lemon, and we're going to put some of that zest into the mushroom filling with a little bit of lemon juice. And then when the mushrooms come out of the oven, we're going to sprinkle some more lemon juice on top, which really gives it a very purple flavor. Now we put the lemon zest into the mixture, and it really looks so good. And next we're going to grate the cutting into the lemon, and we're just going to squeeze a little bit of the juice into the mixture here. As I said, it really livens up the flavor. We're grating a little bit of the Parmesan cheese in there. Which again is very flavorful. Okay, we're sprinkling some breadcrumbs on. And I like to use plain breadcrumbs. I don't like the Italian flavored breadcrumbs because I don't like the way the cheese tastes in there. Okay, so now we're sprinkling in the salt, and we're almost just about ready to mix it. And now we're putting in a drizzle of olive oil, maybe a little more than a drizzle. Okay, now we're just going to stir everything and get it all combined. And then as soon as we've done that, we will be able to begin stuffing the mushrooms. Now we're stuffing the mushrooms, and at times, as you can see, it could get a little messy. And who doesn't love stuffed mushrooms? Okay, now we're drizzling with a little bit of olive oil, if we have a little bit. And if you notice, I didn't pat down the stuffing, because if you do that, it becomes too hard and it gets kind of gummy. This way it'll be light.
This is a work in process. Joanne is making up her beautiful antipasto plate with stuffed mushrooms, some provolone cheese, and some baked breaded cauliflower.